Welcome back to the channel. In general, I am very happy with the RS660, but after realizing that Aprilia totally cheaped out on the right side heel protector, my German OCD went into overdrive. Come to find out that Aprilia actually offers a proper piece that matches the bike perfectly down to the engraved pattern. Why this $13 part was not included on a $12,000 bike in the first place is beyond me. But I noticed a similar trend even on the Vespa, where you have to buy a kickstand separately as well if you want one. Come on, Piaggio Group, your products are not cheap from the get-go. But enough of my rant here. Installation at least was very easy, as it is just attached with one screw and 3 double-sided adhesive pads, which, by the way, you have to purchase separately as well. Are we feeling nickeled and dimed yet? I for sure are. Oh well. The end result at least looks as factory as it gets, and my German OCD says thank you. Here is one more time a quick comparison with the piece that originally came from the factory and the way it should have come from the factory in the first place. Besides this little fix, I also installed a brake lever protector kit from Evotech that came with all the required hardware from the start. Wow, what a concept. And yes, I'm a bit sarcastic here. Very easy installation as well, with no drama, and in my humble opinion looks good and is very subtle, as I want to maintain the original look of the bike. Until next time, stay tuned, keep it on 2, and be safe out there. Bye.